Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a really cool squishy using makeup sponges. Puffy paint is a bit expensive, so let's make our own using shaving foam, PVA and mixing it in with acrylic paint. When painting your sponges, just remember, the more layers you paint, the squishier and slow rising it will be. I'm making this into a Valentines project, so I'm using lettering to stamp cute little messages on each sponge.
Perfect.
Now I'm using a simple software called Paint that's available on every computer. I'm just creating some packaging. Draw around some cookie cutters to create a heart outline. Build up your squishy by colour coordinating each layer like so. Now to create your packaging, wrap your squishy in cling film and insert your printed design. Twist and trim the edges and you're done.